Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing for you of the iPad Pro 5. Okay, so this is the new iPad Pro which came out this year in 2021. Okay, and this is going to be my new daily driver. So this is going to be replacing my iPad Air 3. Okay, I've had the iPad Air 3 for 2 years now and it has come time for it to be replaced. Okay, so here is its replacement. Now, you're probably wondering, why didn't I go for the iPad Air 4? Now, that's because the iPad Air 4 does not have Face ID. It still has Touch ID, but they've moved it to the top button instead of it being on the home button. Okay, so what I decided to do was I decided to get the iPad Pro so I have the Face ID compatibility. Okay, now this is my first Pro device that I've ever owned. Okay, so this is the 11-inch one, and this one that I have here is the 128GB one with no 5G. Okay, so this is just Wi-Fi. I don't need 5G on an iPad. Okay, so, and this is the Space Grey one. Okay, Space Grey, I've had Space Grey since it's come out, and I think I would rather stick with it. Okay, being a boy, it's just the way I prefer. Okay, so we are going to unbox this, and we are going to see what we get. Now, this is also my first home buttonless iPad, and also my first USB-C iPad. So this is one thing I'm going to have to get used to, because this iPad doesn't use Lightning, it's USB-C, and also it is home buttonless. But I am used to that because I've been using the iPhone 11 for a while and it's got no home button, and I have gotten used to that. And also because this iPad has no headphone jack, I had to purchase this. This is a USB-C to headphone adapter, so I could use my headphones with this. Now, I could buy the wireless AirPods, but I don't have plans to do that, at least right now. Okay, so let's get to opening this up. Okay, and of course, on Apple Makes It Easy, we just peel it. Okay, so we just peel, and then we can peel this off. Okay, so I'll just chuck this in the bin. So, let's just be sure it's in the camera, and let's take our first look. So here we go. Okay, and there we have the iPad Pro itself. Comes in this nice frosted plastic. Okay, so let's lift it out. Okay, so check that out. And just looking at this design, the design of this this profile kind of resembles the iPad 1 in some cases, but it's a lot skinnier than the iPad 1. Okay, and of course we have our dual camera on the back. This is my first iPad to have a dual camera and my first iPad to have a flash. Okay, so we'll peel the plastic off. Let's just peel that off. We'll just take it out, and there it is. Okay, so here we have the top here with the camera and the Face ID scanner. On this side here we have a microphone. Okay, on this side we have where we put our Apple Pencil. This side here we have our volume buttons, and on the back we have our smart connector. And on the bottom we have our USB-C port. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll just place this here. So I'll just put this plastic aside. So in the box here we get our Designed by Apple in California. And inside here we get all our instructions. So we have iPad Pro, instructions on how to get it going. We also have some warranty. And I do believe the Apple stickers are buried in here. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, there we go. And here we have our Apple stickers, which are included as well. And on the iPad Pros, they're actually a little bit bigger than what you did get on the Classic and the Airweight. Okay, but they're not color matched like the iMacs though. Okay, and in the box we get our USB-C cable for charging the iPad, and we also get our USB-C plug for charging it. And this one here is a 20-watt plug as well. Okay, I've got a few of these. I've got one of these. Okay, now I probably won't be needing that because I have my charging station. I've got a USB-A to USB-C adapter, but it's good to have a few spares. All right. So we'll just pop all this back in here for now, because I don't really need that right now. So we'll just pop this box off to the side. Okay, so there's the iPad there. Now we'll unbox the adapter while we're at it. So we'll just peel this off. And there's the adapter right there, so we just take it out. Okay, and there we have our USB-C to headphone adapter. So that's going to be quite useful. Okay, it's good to have that. That's a must to have if you are going from a device which doesn't have a headphone jack to a device that's like this. Okay, so if you buy the iPad Air 4, the iPad Pro 3, 4, 5, or the iPad Mini 6, you will definitely need that. So that will just basically plug in there and I can listen to my headphones. So now we'll fire this up. Here we go. Here we go. So a lot of firsts in this device for me. A liquid retina display, a Face ID scanner, and of course a USB-C connector. And of course we have hello, so we just swipe up. We want English. Okay, we want Australia, so let's find Australia. Here it is. Okay, and we'll quick start. We'll do that, and I'll set that up later. Okay, but that is the iPad Pro 5. Okay, so the iPad Pro 5 in the 11-inch size, 128GB in space grey. So there's the front of the cover. Oops. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.